Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike, and today we're going to be making some delicious chicken noodle soup. And I'm going to show you my secret technique to get that cooked all day flavor in less than half the time. And it's coming up right now. Once again, welcome back, everyone. We truly appreciate all your support. And if you're not following us here yet, consider doing so by hitting that button down there. Don't forget to check out the description below for the full recipe, all the details on this cook, as well as some links for some cool El Yucateco merch. Now, as mentioned, we'll be cooking up a chicken soup recipe today. I'm going to show you some tricks that I use to cut down that cooking time to get that all-day flavor. So whether you're feeling perfectly good or a little under the weather, this chicken soup recipe is going to hit the spot. You're going to start with a large pot, preheating a little bit of olive oil at the bottom. Then we're going to go ahead and add our veggies. Onion, celery, carrots, garlic. Now just allow that to saute for a little while to soften those veggies. This is going to help cut down some of your cook time. Once you start seeing them go translucent and beginning to soften, go ahead and add a little bit of chicken broth to that. Continue to saute for just a few minutes. Then we'll be adding in our beautiful rotisserie chicken breast that I've chopped up, along with some additional chicken broth and the magic to this recipe, the El Yucateco Red. Not only is this going to add a ton of flavor to this recipe, but it's going to help out with those sinuses if you're feeling a little under the weather. Now, with everything in the pot, we're going to allow this to saute for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. This is really going to help all those flavors concentrate together, and it will also cut down your cook time for this recipe significantly. Once your veggies are nice and soft, go ahead and add the remainder of your chicken broth and allow that to cook for an additional 30 to 60 minutes. And the last part of this recipe is to go ahead and add our noodles. So just allow those to cook and soften up. As soon as those noodles are ready, this chicken noodle soup is ready to serve. So less than 2 hours total cook time, this is ready to serve up and enjoy. And of course, it's time for my favorite part of the video. I don't know where you are and how the weather is, but it's cold where I am, and this is going to be welcomed. Cheers, everyone. The veggies are soft and succulent. They've absorbed all that flavor. The noodles are cooked perfectly. That chicken just soaked up a lot of that El Yucateco Red flavor, and this is another winning dish. So here, once again, we take another basic recipe and we kick it up with some El Yucateco sauce. Let me know what you think of this recipe down in the comments. Make sure you give this one a try at home. If you've got any recipe suggestions or things you want to see us make on the channel, go ahead and put that down in the comments below as well. Thanks again for all your time. I appreciate you hanging out with me today. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next video.